In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create a free QR code using the tool, the QR Code Generator, or TQRCG for short. The QR Code Generator is a free platform that lets you create dynamic, trackable QR codes for website links, PDFs, app downloads, and more. What makes it stand out is its built-in analytics dashboard, which tracks all your scan data in one place. There's a free forever plan, so you can get started without a credit card. To generate a QR code through the QR Code Generator tool, you simply need to choose the QR code type from the TQRCG widget and paste your URL. You can customize your QR code to adjust color and shapes, and finally, download your QR code to your device. Go to theqrcodegenerator.com. Step 1. Select QR code type. Select your QR code type from the tabs at the top. You can choose URL, PDF, contact, SMS, email, and more. For this example, I will select URL. Paste your destination link into the input field. Your QR code preview will generate automatically on the right side of the widget. Step 2. Customize your QR code. Click the Customize button below the preview. This opens the design panel, where you can change the style. Choose from classic, rounded, thin, smooth, or circles. Then adjust the color to change the code color, background for the background color, and squares and pixels for finer design control. Make sure you keep a high contrast between the code and the background for reliable scanning. Once you're happy with the design, click Done to confirm your customization. Step 3. Download your QR code. Click the Download button under the QR code preview. Name your QR code in the file name input field. Select the PNG file format and 1000px for image size. Click the Download button and the QR code saves to your device. Then place it wherever your audience will see it. On a flyer, product label, poster, business card, or any digital asset, with a clear call to action next to it so people know to scan. So to recap, we created a free QR code using the TQRCG without any sign-up by simply pasting the URL of choice in the Enter URL field and clicking Save. We customized the QR code using the available free templates, and finally downloaded the generated QR code to our device. The link for the QR code generator is in the description below. If this helped you, hit subscribe. We post videos like this every week to help you get more out of your QR code campaigns. See you in the next one.